On this episode, you'll learn how to create these aquatic-themed seascape pendants and earrings. Using my clay machine, I conditioned and rolled a 1-ounce piece of turquoise clay to the number 3 thickness. I placed the seaweed border silkscreen on the left side of the clay sheet and applied the classic green paint with a card. I let that dry for several hours. I placed the same washed silkscreen on the right side of the sheet and applied the new shamrock paint. I let that dry. I placed the silkscreen in the center of the clay sheet, overlapping the other painted images, and applied the lime green paint. I conditioned and rolled out a 1-ounce piece of white clay to the number 3 thickness. After allowing the paints to dry, I placed the blue clay sheet on top of the white clay sheet. I placed a sheet of printer paper over the clay and gently rubbed the clay to adhere the 2 clay sheets and even out any imperfections. I used the rounded possibilities and wide drop cutters to cut out the pieces. I cut holes in some of the pieces with the round clay punch cutter and inserted eye pins in the remaining pieces. I baked the pieces at what I thought was 275 degrees for 1 hour in my brand new clay oven. As you can see, the white clay backs were burned and look brown. I just ordered an oven thermometer. I attached split rings to 2 of the coordinating pieces with holes. I attached eye pins to one of the split rings and threaded 3 seed beads and 2 tube beads on the pin. I cut the eye pin to the length I needed to create another eye and attached that to the other clay piece. Here are some of the other pieces I created. For this and more creative projects, please visit our website.